Hi, I'm Emily at Clinton Parkway Nursery, and today we're going to be talking about some common issues you may see with your leaves, especially during the winter here on your houseplants. The most common one that people see all the time, and that one really stands out to them, is yellowing leaves. Those leaves are dying off for whatever reason. It may be just stress from coming inside. It may be that they're just old leaves. There could also be an issue. Most common, I see yellow leaves showing up after being underwatered. The plant doesn't have enough water to support the amount of growth that it has, so it begins to die back and become a smaller plant in hopes of finding enough water to support it and not dying off. Prior to yellow leaves, you will start to see crisping edges and stuff like that. That's indicative of underwatering, very dry conditions, especially in winter. It's not as humid, so things dry out, the leaves start to dry out, and they get crispy and nasty. Going back a little bit behind that too, you'll also see curling leaves. As they get water, they kind of shrink up and wrinkle and just kind of curl into a little burrito almost. On the opposite side of that, however, you can have too much water, and that will damage your leaves and possibly kill your plant just as much as underwatering does. With overwatering, you may start to see black spots, mushy, especially if you have a real high humidity area. It's too much water. It's a growing ground for fungus and rot and stuff like that. You may also see blisters on your leaves with too much water. The cells in the plant's leaves have difficulty taking in too much water, and the cells can actually burst, and it looks exactly like a blister. And it won't kill the leaf unless it's like super bad, but it will in time fade away and become just like a brown spot on your leaf, which can be not very appealing. But those are some common issues you may have with leaves, and why they turn out like that.
Okay, now you know a little bit more. Stop in next week for another video. Hey, come see us at the corner of Clinton Parkway in Wakarusa. Watch for the flowers on the road.